In today's video we are learning how to paint terrific amazing Gucci shoes.
Welcome everyone, this is your art buddy Vasu, and I'm here with another video showing you how to convert these canvas high top sneakers into high fashion Gucci inspired sneakers. Alright, as you can see, we will be preparing our sneakers before we paint. I will stuff my sneakers with paper towel or a t-shirt that you usually don't wear inside of the sneaker. Alright, as you can see now I have paper towel and I stuffed it in, and now I'm gonna tie up the laces. Why? Because we want nice shape to paint on. Alright, now I will tape all around the rubber part of the sneaker. The toe, the sides, everywhere I see the rubber, I'm gonna cover it with a masking tape or a painter's tape. Voila! Now we have these sneakers all taped up. Now I will cover my laces with the tape, and we'll take pieces of tape and stick it all over the laces part. Wow! Now I think we are ready to paint. Alright, I will mix yellow, red, blue to make a rusty orange, and you can see I have already covered the sneaker with that color, and you gotta play around to get the right shade and make sure you paint nice all around, and on the other side as well. Make sure the entire sneaker where the tape is not there, you cover it with this burnt orange. Now I will make the pattern for the cheetah print. I will use small brush black and make these squiggly U shapes. You can see that in the close-up. You sort of leave it open at the bottom, but they are very squiggly in the nature. You go over a couple of times to get a nice black line, and now the idea is to cover the entire sneaker with the same type of pattern. You can look at cheetah print as a reference, Google it if necessary. You will have a good reference what to do as the background. Alright, now you can see I have created a cheetah print on one sneaker, and this sneaker I have painted white, and then I'll take small brush and black. With that I'm going to create little stripes from the bottom and make sub stripes off one stripe. There we go. I'm going a couple of times over to get nice black dense line, and then from the top I started another stripe. These uneven stripes I'm going to keep adding on and basically cover the entire sneaker. As you can see, I will start off with one stripe and make a sub stripe of it. Little ones from the front side. Now you can see I have finished the background, and now we'll add a snake there. So I'm using small brush black, and for the shape of my snake, the Gucci snake, we're going to make the tail first. I don't know why I'm starting with the tail. Sort of make it turn from places. Alright, go over a couple of times with the brush. Don't worry if you don't get the paint right away, you can repeat the process. Once I get the dense black, I'm going to then move on to the cheetah side or the leopard side. Alright, that is my tail now. It looks pretty cool. I'm making sure that I get a nice dense black. So now from the front I will continue the shape of the snake, turn it, and after the turn I will determine the mouth or the face of the snake. Go a couple of times, get a nice even shape. There we go. Now the snake looks like it's traveling from zebra print to the cheetah print. Alright, so after that we will let it dry and then use white and red and then create a stroke in between the body of the snake. I'm going a couple of times with my medium brush. It's like about half an inch thick, and sort of take my time and get a nice coverage. Alright, there we go. Now I'm using just black medium brush and then add just one stroke on the top, but stay within the body of the snake. Alright, with white small brush, I'm going to add the white details or the white striping on the snake. But if we look at this very snake, it has some white in the front and then white stripes continue on the body. Now you're gonna see I'm adding little boxes which will represent the stripe of white. Make sure you go over a couple of times to get nice dense white. And now I'm adding a little bit of gray on the top area of the stripe to give it a little shade. Okay, make sure you take your time. Now I added a little bit of gray to the silhouette of the face. And add a little details of the scales on his face. Then a little bump for the eye. Alright, I'm just making sure that it has a nice dense black consistent line. Now I'm adding black stripes into the white stripes. There we go, take your time. Alright, that's our Gucci snake sneaker looks like. Now I'm gonna add another optional step here. I will color my sole of the sneaker. Right, green and red, the Gucci Flyway. Alright guys, so you can add that on your sneaker, but it's totally optional. And one more thing, you can buy your own high top sneaker kit at lapiturastudio.com. I hope to see you on my next video. Please subscribe, like, and send me some comments, ideas on the comment section. Till then, bye bye, sayonara.